Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes macOS Catalina to macOS Big Sur Upgrade. Click about this Mac. macOS Catalina is installed. Click Go, Application. Click and open System Preferences. Click and open Software Update. Click Upgrade Now. Downloading now. Update started. Click Continue. Click Agree. Click Agree. Select hard disk to install. Type your username and password. Click Add Helper. Type your system password. Click Continue. Click Apple icon, about this Mac. macOS Big Sur is successfully upgraded. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.